Hey everyone, so today we are going to be switching out the summer annuals in this container for some fall annuals. I've already done that container up there, and while some of these are still looking really good, especially the black petunias and the euphorbia, I could probably save them. They would probably look a lot better if I had fertilized more this summer. I just haven't, and now that the sun is at a little bit of a different angle because we are in mid-September, they're just not getting enough sun. So I'm going to switch them out for some fall annuals. I have a beautiful cabbage, a mum, an aster, and a beautiful orange zinnia. I try to get asters and mums that are not yet fully bloomed out or even in bloom so that they go a little bit longer. As you can see, this aster is just budded up. So let's get this changed out. But if anyone is interested, because black petunias always seem to get people excited, this is called Slingshot Black Magic. I absolutely love black petunias, and I think they go so well with this color combination. So I tend to do the same planting here every summer. But like I said, it's mid-September, and I do want to change things up. I just did a container. Petunia was really easy to get out. The salvia, not so much. The euphorbia was easy to get out. The geranium was kind of 50-50. So let's see. Yes, I do feel bad pulling these out because you can see it does look rather still good, but I am ready for a change. Yeah, so that wasn't that difficult. Beautiful. All right, so I'm going to get the rest of these pulled out, and I will show you the finished product. The salvia tends to be the hardest to pull out. See how well rooted that is in there? I really didn't want to lose all this soil. I always bring it like a dibber, just to kind of break this up a little bit so that I maybe don't have to lose all the soil, although I did bring a whole garden trug of new soil. Yeah, it still does not want to come. I'm also trying not to make a mess, although I did bring my leaf blower. What I'm trying to do here is just cut the roots in hopes that I can get a smaller piece of this out. Okay, here it comes. There we go. So some of the soil I'll have to lose because it's just, there's too much in here. But I just wanted to show you guys how well those salvias root in. And this is the layout I'm going for. So we're going to have that beautiful zinnia kind of towards the back. I like to just set everything in there first so I can see the pot for that zinnia is quite large. Hopefully I can fit everything. Pretty sure I can. And then the cabbage. Yeah, that's what it's going to look like at the end. I always like to break the roots up a little bit because these, all kinds of annuals, whether they're spring, summer, or fall annuals, they are potted up months and months ahead of time, ahead of the season. So they've been sitting in their containers for quite some time. And although we will not get as much use out of them as we would if we were planting in the spring or the summer, I still want these to go for at least a month, you know, weather permitting. So I break up the roots just so that they'll put on a little bit more root growth in the container here. And voila, beautiful fall container.